Well, hello and welcome to our virtual open day for construction at Harrow College. It's great to have you with us. Thanks for joining us. Before we start, just a couple of housekeeping messages. We have brought you in today on mute, but we are going to be taking questions. So if there is anything you would like to ask, please use the chat box functionality and we will pick up any questions that you have at the end. So again, thanks for joining us, and let's get started with a welcome from our principal, Pat.
Hello everyone, my name is Pat Carvello and I'm Principal here at Harrow College. And I'm very pleased to welcome you to this virtual open day session. Now I am aware that lockdown has been a very difficult time for you, particularly as you've been trying to ensure you gain the qualifications that you set out to achieve. And I do hope that this turns out well for you. But now is the time for you to think about your plans for next year's study and putting those into action. And this virtual session is here to help you do this. You have a lot of career options open to you. And here at Harrow College, we have a wide range of academic, vocational and technical qualifications over a number of levels that are here to meet your interests and your abilities. We have a great track record with a consistently high performance over the last 5 years. And we have been the highest performing college in London for 16 to 19-year-old students over the last 2 years. Plus, our A-level scores in English and Maths progress are amongst the highest in the country. And we're very proud of this, hugely down to the success of our teaching and support staff. Our teaching staff are specialists in their subject areas and bring with them a vital industry experience that will help our students to achieve. And alongside this, we have high quality support that also provides help to students to succeed and to progress. We are constantly investing in our facilities to ensure that they are fit for purpose and are of industry standard. And our social and recreational facilities are here for students to enjoy when they're not in lessons. So our staff are here to help you with our wide range of options, and we will assist you to find a suitable place here at the college according to your qualifications, your abilities, and most importantly, a course that is of interest to you and one that you can succeed in. I hope this session gives you a flavour of what is on offer here at Harrow College. And if you'd like to join, us, I would encourage you to apply early to secure your place. So I look forward to meeting you in person in September. Thank you.
Thank you, Pat. So just to pick up on a couple of the things that Pat mentioned in her intro, we are really proud at Harrow College to be the #1 college in London for our 16 to 18-year-old achievement. That's been for 2 years running, and that's endorsed by the Department for Education's achievement data, and the most recent was from 2018. So alongside that, another couple of reasons why we are #1 in London. Harrow College and Uxbridge College merged in 2017, and we're the second largest FE college in London. Aside from that achievement rate of being #1, we also have the first value added score for our A-levels, first in London and 9th nationally, and also our English and Maths progress. We were first and third for that in London as well, and again, they were within the top 10 nationally. Our students are really happy to study at Harrow College as well, and in the FE Choices survey, they rated us first for student satisfaction, so no better endorsement for us than from our students. And also our students go on to positive destinations. They go on to do things that they have been training for, whether that's work, into university or onto an apprenticeship. And you'll hear a little bit more about that as we go through today. So just a little bit about our courses. They're designed to prepare you for a fantastic future. As I mentioned, you might be looking at higher education at university, an apprenticeship, or going straight into work. And we're here to help you get to where you need to be. Our courses have their main qualification. So if you're studying construction with us, you'll have your main course, and then perhaps some English and Maths with that, and some employment skills. There could be opportunities for work experience and enrichment, and also progression support. So we've got great links with employers. So as I said, we have some opportunities for work experience, or there might be guest speakers, trips, visits, lots of things involved alongside your main qualification to help enhance what you're learning in the classroom. Above all, we really want you to succeed, so we're here to support and encourage you to work hard and achieve your goals. We have fantastic facilities. In terms of the construction, we've got some new suites, some new spaces, classrooms and workshops that you'll be able to study in, as well as in terms of all of the other subjects we have, well-equipped classrooms, workshop studios, specialist workspaces. You'll hear a little bit more about the construction side of things as we go along. But our staff are really highly qualified. They bring a wealth of experience. They've worked in industry so that they know the skills, they know the knowledge and the tips and tricks that you need to succeed in the workplace or to prepare for university. But we know college is obviously an important part is your study, but we know it's about having some fun as well. So we want you to get involved and make the most of college life outside of the classroom. You can take part in activities, there's volunteering, fundraising, and you can also join in with lots of social events as well. Plus, if you're interested in student governance, we do encourage students to get involved in that and share their views to help shape college life. We've got a student union, and you can even become a tutor rep and represent your views and the views of your peers in your class as well. So as we've mentioned a little bit earlier, we have been investing in our campuses. There's a lot of work that's been going on in our two campuses, Harrow Weald, which is where you'll study construction, and also our Harrow on the Hill campus. And as I mentioned, we've got brand new facilities for construction. Our Newton building, you can see on the screen at the bottom, was recently refurbished, and you'll see some pictures and hear a little bit more about that specific facility as well. So one of the important things as well about being a college is that we are monitored by Ofsted, who look after the standards in education. And in their most recent visit to us, back in July last year, they gave some really positive comments. Here's just a little bit for you here now. Our teachers have high expectations for learners and they strive to help them learn. They know their learners well, helping them deal with any problems that they might have. And the other important thing as well that Ofsted said was that our learners and apprentices are really positive about their learning experience and they enjoy coming to Harrow College, which is great. So before I hand over to my colleague Claire to tell you a little bit more about the construction area, just going to play a little video to give you a bit of a flavour of the facilities and some of the things that our students do whilst on our construction courses. So I hope that's given you a bit of an insight into what you can expect if you come and study construction with us at Harrow College. And to give you more information about the area and the courses, I'm going to hand over to Claire.
Hi, my name is Claire Hood. I'm head of school for construction. So if you're watching this video, I think you're probably thinking about a construction course at Harrow College, so welcome. So I'm here to tell you a little bit more about these courses and how they're run here at Harrow. So you saw in one of the earlier slides, we've got a newly refurbished Newton building. It's purpose-built, large, fantastic workshops. And within these, students can practice and develop their skills in the world of construction. So we offer a range of courses. So we offer a multi-skills course at level 1, electrical installation across all levels 1, 2 and 3, and the same for plumbing across all levels, levels 1, 2 and 3. Now I'll tell you a little bit more about them courses further through, but in an average week at college, you would attend both practical sessions where you'll really develop your skills, you'll learn what you would be doing on site on a day-to-day basis in industry, but also you would have theory sessions where you explore the reasons why you do these things, the calculations behind some of these skills to support you through the range of exams that come with these courses. And we have a fantastic team in construction, so some of them are shown there, but they come from a really wide variety of industries and they're specialists in their field. So they've got really extensive experience of working on construction sites and with different organisations in electrical, plumbing and building environments. So the whole team works really well together and they're very committed to supporting our learners to develop, to get to the career path that they want to achieve, and make sure they have successful careers and the skills needed to do that. So I'm going to give you a little bit more information about some of these courses. So the level 1 construction or multi-skills course. So this is a course for someone who may not have a clear idea which area of construction they want to work in, but know they want a definite career in the construction sector. It's really varied, so you learn about lots of different aspects of construction, including carpentry, brickwork, plumbing, painting, decorating and tiling. And this course is portfolio assessed, so throughout the year you'll do a range of practical tasks to show you have the relevant skills, as well as, again, some of that theory that underpins that. So our plumbing programme, so we offer them at level 1, 2 and 3. And there's a range of units here about the plumbing industry, and progressing through these levels allows you to have the underpinning knowledge that would support you through to the next stage. Now, the plumbing courses are assessed via exams and practical assessments, and you learn all about installation processes, cold and hot water systems, gas principles, as well as the career paths you could follow within the plumbing industry. So similarly, our electrical installation programmes are assessed in the same way. There's a range of exams as well as practical elements that make up these. And you'd learn about what it's like to be an electrician both on a site and in domestic properties. That covers things like fault diagnosis, inspection, testing, as well as, again, looking at what career options are available in the building services industry. So we've got some case studies to show you about some of our current students at Harrow College. So this one's from Beyonce. And when she came to us, she wasn't actually sure what she wanted to do in the future, but her family encouraged her. And since she's been here, she's been a fantastic student and really challenged some stereotypes about what an electrician would look like, and is doing really, really well. And just two more, one from Brady, one from Daniel. So it just shows why they've chosen Harrow College and a little bit more about their experience since they've been here. But both have said that it's allowed them to build their confidence, ready for their future and their next steps. So I'm going to pass you back to Lucy at this point. Thank you very much for your time. I look forward to seeing you in September.
That's great. Thank you, Claire. So just obviously, you've heard a little bit about the courses available and the choices that you can make within the construction area. So just want to give you a little bit more information about the support that we offer at Harrow College as well. Obviously, you've got your teaching team and your technicians who will help support in the classroom, but you might need some help outside of the classroom as well, and we have that available for you. Our careers advice and progression team can help you to look at what you want to do in the future and get you started on the right course to be able to give you the route and the progression that you need for your next steps once you've studied with us. If you need any help with learning support, we have a great team who can provide assistance for a variety of different difficulties or disabilities and needs that you may have. And we do say that if you do have a particular difficulty or need, then do get in touch with us as soon as you can, because the sooner we can start working with you and help you to put that support into place or signpost you to the right people, then that's better to get you started for the beginning of term. And we know that sometimes being a student can be difficult. There are things that sometimes get in the way and we might need a little bit of help. So we have some personal welfare and financial support available through our student services and support team. And they're there to be able to give you advice or point you to the right people who can help with any issues that you might have. And we also have academic support. So you've got the support within the classroom, but also if you need some assistance in making sure that you get your theory work sorted or anything along those lines, then we have academic support available for you too. The message really is, if there's anything you're worried about or you're not quite sure, then get in touch and have a chat with us, because we are here to help you before you apply and also as you come onto course as well. That support is there, so do get in touch if there's anything you need. So you've heard a little bit today about what's available in the construction area, and you might be thinking, how do I apply? What are my next steps? Well, it's really easy to apply. We can do that online. It's the quickest, easiest way. You just head to the website www.harrow.ac.uk, onto the courses pages, and then you find the course that you're interested in. Once you've clicked on that, there's an orange apply button. You click that, and then everything is online from there on. You can fill out the course details and also log back in. You'll create an account when you apply, so you can log back in anytime, view your details, and keep your information updated. As I've said, completing the form doesn't take long. It is really quick. Once you've submitted that, we will then be in touch with you to talk about the next steps. That normally is an interview at the moment. We are doing those mostly through telephone and video calling, but also don't worry, once you've submitted everything through, it's in our hands to then get in touch with you and get you to the next steps, and then obviously on to enrolment, ready for starting in September. If you do want to download the application form and complete that by hand, that is available as well. So there is an application form on the website, and you can post it and email it back to us. But if there are any questions, we just say, just get in touch. We can help you from there. So you've obviously seen there's plumbing, electrical, multi-skills. You might not be quite sure which of those courses you want to start with. Well, don't worry, we can help if you need more information. Our careers team are there to help you make the right choice. You can phone them or give them, drop them an email. They are available from now. We are working remotely to answer those questions and to have a chat with anybody who needs more advice. You can call them on 0208 909 6000 or email inquiries@hcuc.harrow.ac.uk. And we also have the website that's got lots of information. So Claire's given you an idea about the courses that we offer today, and each of those levels and each of those areas, there's more course information on our website, so you can have a little bit more of a look and get to yourself a little bit more detail before you're ready to apply. But as we say, if you're not quite sure, do get in touch. Just a selection of some of our students here, but what we do say is make sure that you get yourself informed and get involved. Education is about opportunity, and we're here to help you make those next steps ready for that fantastic future. So that's everything from us today. So thank you very much for joining us. We do hope that you found that information helpful and useful. Just a reminder, the contact details are on the presentation just there for you, but do get in touch if there's anything else that you need. I'm just going to pause to see if there are any questions that's come through. So we'll just have a quick look. So if there are, we can answer those now for you. So nothing come through for us there, but if there is anything, do get in touch. Claire, just anything else that you wish to add before we finish up?
No, just thank you for taking time to watch. Thank you very much.
As Claire said, thanks again from us, and we wish you the very best with your future steps. Thank you.